Wait, she's going.
I started recording.
Let her in.
Outfit. It's mismatching. It looked like a baby dressed her.
Go on, Oreo Jackson.
Wear your belt like a fridge. Leave me alone.
Someone go service Oreo Jackson. Okay.
I'm just cute like that. Oh, it's highlighted.
Okay.
I'm gonna plant so the guys can't get me.
Hurry up, Oreo.
I really hope the person in the waiting room gets eaten.
You said you hope they die.
Let me check if this hoe is safe. Okay, that hoe is safe.
They are.
You want cancer?
Watanabe.
Wait, I think the first two are always good. I think that's what I've heard.
They're emo. Drink your coffee.
That's a pop. I see.
They good. Wait. They good.
Why are you watching me?
What you need, baby girl? He stands on top
Wait,
of you.
wait. Lowkey. Tony. Tony Watanabe. Dude, I would kill.
What is everybody's sanity at, even though we just started the game?
Watanabe is such
60.
a tough last name, dude. Alright, we all
Yeah,
need to crowd.
63.
So cute. Look at Tony.
Your Oreos?
Big dodo on him.
Your Oreos? What?
I'm pushing out.
Don't you just feel the American spirit?
Pushing out a log onto their chest.
Yeah.
Do you got
Doo-doo. They need my droppings.
Dude.
Is that why you're trying to take a dookie on them? Oh my god,
Wait, why is
coming.
the get red?
Oh my god, they coming.
Just like me.
Ew.
Dude, we should all play Scary Shawarma Kiosk after this.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Baba da.
Let me be the only woman!
I'm Dr. Harlow.
Candace, why?
Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working.
I'm hungry.
I'll fix up the shutters and
Good
security
not
for you.
tell Aunt and Cece, because Cece changed. Cece isn't the pink dog anymore. Hey!
No, Cece's the orange ugly dog.
Ew.
You look like.
I bought a skin.
You look like.
Okay, I bought a skin.
Why would you do that?
What do you mean? Why would I do that? Buy a skin?
That's a waste of money.
The skin's cute.
Oh,
Oh no! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it!
No, she's safe. She's
got
safe.
lucky.
Oh no, she's not. Oh no, she's not.
Her arm is tweaking.
Oh, no, she's
Yeah,
not.
walk away, you little
Why are you telling me
monkey
I'm
butt.
wrong? She got the posture of meat.
Do you want this gun up your fucking asshole, bitch? Do
Maybe
not
I will.
talk back to me. Oh.
I will.
Well.
Booty.
Alright, bro. It's gotta go.
No!
It's gotta go. No,
Wait, keep shoot him.
I'm not even gonna break my windows right now. I'm getting so tired of
Shoot him.
Hey, this my job. This my job.
Go away from me.
Away from me.
Damn this
Wait, I think this is a good one.
Hey, Aunt kind of looks like my booger.
Tony Stark is here.
You see my booger? You don't see my boogie?
Go be in room 1.
Yeah.
Go to room 1,
I'm
guys,
coming,
please.
I'm coming.
Hey!
What's your name?
Like a stone.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Oh my god, she's ugly.
Tony Clark.
Oh
Oh!
my god.
You get hurt. I know
They're
you get
here.
hurt.
They're here.
Get off my bed, monkey. Get off my bed. I'm gonna punch you in the butt. Okay. Hey, you need eye drops. I know what you did.
Oh my god. And
You
just
did.
saw the stalk.
Cocoa wood.
I
Where?
need herbs.
Bird.
He's right there. He's right there. Hi, everybody.
Bird.
Oh my god, you're
Where?
killing me. I'm scared.
Where?
Hey,
Kitten,
don't look at the
kitten.
eyes. They're gonna
Alright, bro.
jump you.
Go.
Fire me.
I'm at 41 sanity. I'm gonna.
What?
kill
Take them to
myself.
room 4.
I'm coming.
Go, Green Bunny. Go.
Hmm?
I don't even know what I look like.
You are a green butt.
A bugger.
Whoever just shut the door
Yeah.
on me, count your days.
That scared me for real
What?
life.
For real life.
What?
I'm at a 48 stamina.
I'm at 40.
You have ball cancer.
Yes, I do.
Just give me my money.
I have food in my inventory that needs to be cooked.
Maple syrup.
How do you get a taser in this game? I want a taser. I want a taser. How do you get one?
I'm already in the game.
You better not start no rituals, babe.
What's that do?
I know you're not doubting my skills of sending them to the right place.
Get away from me.
I'm not.
I am a
Question mark.
professional and my highest shift is 100.
Who's tickling my butt with their feet?
I'm just
Me.
asking the patients
Me.
not to start damn rituals because I know how they are sometimes. Oh, she just took a shit.
It's okay.
Just give me
clean
my
up with your
dude.
hands.
Nasty bitch.
Doo-doo.
Oh my
I
god,
did
you
it.
guys are still here.
I did it.
Get out of my way.
If you give the eyeballs
gonna-
eye drops, they'll go away.
I don't
The
trust you.
paralysis demon just looked at me.
Oh, look, it's you in another universe.
Oh my god, it is me in another universe.
Goodbye, my jobless
Also,
kid.
thermo.
Thermometer. There's a box under the table.
I'm coming.
Get out of my way. I'm doing my job.
It's my
Wait, how
job.
do you-
No. He needs eye doctors. You stink.
Boy, did you
You smell like
ask to take
booty.
that coffee?
My stamina.
Guess what? There's still-
stamina. Sanity.
I'm at 53
Oh, hi,
brain
everybody.
power.
I'm opening new facilities for you. The supplies shop will be open for a
Die.
limited time each shift.
Supply?
Please have chocolate. I'm running out of sanity.
No.
I'm at 38.
Oh,
I have blood cancer.
Oh,
She
I'm
saw
ugly.
coffee. Can I buy coffee?
I don't need it. Stop
I
touching
desperately
me.
need it. I'm buying it.
Monkey.
Wait, what was your thing?
I was at like
Really
30.
obese.
Oh, okay.
Harley's built like a monkey, but
Bro.
Hi.
you made Papa
That's my
angry.
job.
She cute. Look at her.
Y'all, I
Can I
gotta
close
see their
the window?
faces. I gotta see their faces, guys. Y'all, I gotta see their faces. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, this
Can I
one's
keep staring at her?
ugly.
She's cute.
No, I'm not talking about myself, Joey. May. Wakama. Wakama.
I didn't mean to do
Wait,
that.
what do I look like? Wait, Zizi, what do I look like? Where are you?
Okay, room 4.
Okay, don't.
You look like a booger.
Out of the office.
Why do I look like that?
You
Here,
look like
let
a
me
green
help
booger.
This is you, Aunt.
Why'd this bitch take a shit in the hall?
Oh my god,
No.
Ron, I love you.
Who is it?
Ron is
That's
evil
fun.
butt crack.
Ew, I don't like his hair though. He needs
We already
to
have
cut
4
it.
people.
Please go bald. Oh my god, I know you're not
Gonna stab you in the
extinguishing
kitchen and
him.
take your DNA.
Alright, I got
He
happy,
is a
guys.
good man.
No!
Booger, if you don't move.
What you need.
You aren't right now.
Maple syrup.
Thanks, I will be in room 3.
How many people can be in a scary shawarma game?
I'm not
19.
sure. I do want to
Okay,
play with
Kylie
y'all.
can probably play with us because Kylie's being a little butt cracker.
Okay.
Guys,
Furman
look, I got
Sinatra.
happy.
You know what your name
Oh my god.
Stop dancing me!
I'm sorry, but I would
Hi,
never
Ron.
order a full pizza for myself.
Yes, you
Never.
will.
I mean, like, I'll take it, but it wasn't me who... Wait, I didn't check her picture. She's probably an anomaly. Kill her.
You're gonna go bald.
We can't just be jumping to damn conclusions.
Oh my god, it's got the little red eyes. We need to kill her.
Oh my god, look, it's my sister.
Herb bandage.
Look, it's Kylie.
Ew.
Stop.
No.
Sanity is open.
Wait, where'd the other
Coffee
hoe
is
go?
open.
But
She died.
stop extinguishing our
Why are you
customers.
coming on our patients?
Stop.
This one's ugly. I don't like it.
Stop.
Why are you coming on me?
Yeah, it's ugly. She looks like a unicorn if she didn't have ears.
Let me make sure this hoe don't start no.
Ew, Lynn Taylor. That's why her name is ugly too. Oh my god, she's having surgery. Someone please mess her up.
She took a
She took a
poo-poo.
shit.
Poop down the floor.
I'm fixing.
Thanks, kitten.
My god, this
Alright, I'm
shit
done.
stinks. Let's perform the surgery together.
Exterminate me.
Last when she came over to talk to me.
Here for my appointment. Yeah, I hope you are.
Kelly,
You
stop.
just burped in my ear.
You are my feelings. Oh, you are ugly.
Go to sleep,
Like you.
baby girl.
Like you.
Alright, now we drug her.
Like you. Hey, get away from me.
Oreo Robin.
This is my side, Oreo butt. Yeah, go get that ant.
Scalpel.
I'm a scalpel.
Scalpel. Bandage.
Kylie, stop insulting
putting
me,
her in
you
the trash.
obese. You.
In the trash?
You're obese.
No one will know.
In the trash?
Oh, I don't know what to
Yeah.
tell you then.
Scalpel.
No one has to know.
No. No, because you're
That
mean.
eyeball and that coffee.
Who's even playing with you right now?
Oh, my 3 homies. You already know.
Avery Wade?
Yeah?
That's it?
No?
Wait, is that good?
Yeah, she has blood
Kylie.
cancer.
No, you have face cancer.
She just said I have
She
face
has
Set
cancer.
up the heart monitor for her being mean at the
Elliot, Susie just said that you aren't pretty.
I literally did
Damn.
not say that, okay? I said I
Just
I
kidding.
complimented her the other day and I said she was very pretty.
I'm just kidding. Susie said you're very pretty. And I was just lying because you hurt my feelings and now I feel like a booger.
Oh my god, he's coming. Everyone run.
Oh my god, someone killed it.
I really love the doctor. Hey! Hit me again, I'm gonna give you booty.
Wait,
Stop pushing me.
someone exterminate this dude.
Who?
This dude.
Cece,
Boo boo.
I have a gift for you.
Wait, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
I don't want to be your friend either, though, but you still like crack that butt.
You made me look
Oh
more
my god,
like
give us a taser.
you made me
I'm
look
not
more
biting you, monkey.
It's okay, I'm sorry, I love you. Just stop
No, you
threatening
didn't hear me.
and
You
stop
look
threatening
more
him.
accurate.
At the shop!
Did
I'm
y'all
gonna
see
give you
that?
booty
Did y'all
kiss.
see that? It says hospital performance perfect. Excellent.
I didn't see any.
I'll buy it for you guys.
Thank you for buying it, because I didn't want to waste my money.
You're
I'm using my
welcome.
money too. Oh my god, there's a fire, there's a fire, there's a fire!
Oh my god, we have a patient
I'm
named
going.
Nina. We have a
Nina?
patient named Nina.
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 Ow.
None of the obese child.
Why did you say Nina?
I didn't know I could do that.
I need coffee.
You better
I'm at
hope
what
she
is
was
that?
an
sanity.
anomaly.
You're lucky she
Oh, what
didn't
is
die. Bro,
Oh,
why
what
is
is
it
that?
that
That
one
one,
wrong?
Oh my god, she's so fucking ugly. I'm at
I almost-
33 sanity, so I took the coffee.
No.
No, I'm at 48. I didn't
Leave, Maki! Let me water her
Someone go
eyeballs.
shoot that one. Someone go shoot the one with the smile. Please.
Bye, bitch.
Drink it so you die.
Oh wait, they both gotta go anyways.
Bye, honey.
My name is Booty Nina Butt.
Nina butt.
Booty Nina Butt.
Oh yeah, yeah, monster.
I'm at
Thank you,
Boo butt!
I hate Barney so
Zizi.
much. Don't
Cece.
someone shoot
Am I
Barney,
cute?
please.
Am I cute?
No.
No. I'm just kidding, yes.
Say that again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Say that again?
Happy birthday.
Forget.
Someone go get the little burning patient, please.
Oh my god. You're okay now.
Nina
I
Meadows!
don't know who that is.
My job, my job, my job, my freaking job. Wait. Booger, if you don't
say?
get out of my way. I'm not threatening you, I'm threatening the little booger man.
You're doing your job slow.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh my god, wait, he looks just like me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, was Nina okay? Nina's good, sorry. This little deer is not, though. Someone help Ron, we have to exterminate this deer.
Come on, Nina.
Don't serve this deer.
Okay, I will.
No, it was looking at the cameras like a disgusting little fetus. Oh my god, Ron is my favorite. He's my goat, aside from Matthew.
Sorry, it's a moot count.
Okay.
Die! Oh my gosh, Matthew, run!
What room is he in? Oh
6,
my god, it's
7.
Wait, I need the coffee when we get it.
Girl, I do too. I'm at 37.
I have 2 sanity. I'm just kidding.
Let
CC
ZZ take it.
No, I was just kidding.
No, if you need it.
No.
No, I'm at 39. I'm fine. I haven't had a coffee.
ZZ's at 50, I think.
I said 2 because I was just joking.
Wait, I
Get
think we're good.
away, and you is a sticky boy. It's the coffee.
Go on, Matthew, my goat.
Round 3. Go get the coffee.
Go get the coffee. Wait, I can't. Wait, no, I can't. I'm like, it's glitched.
Oh no. Wait, it's glitched.
It's not like only glitched for me. This one.
Oh, it's okay now.
This bitch closed the fucking door on me.
I'm sorry, bruh. You might just have to go. Oh my god.
It was good.
Well, the white dog was ugly. It had cat ears instead of the little ears.
Oh.
Wait, this one kind of looks like my old self if I was... Get that nasty little smiling critter out of here. Wait, I got you.
Hey, Ron.
No.
Looks like my mom.
Can I shoot it?
No.
Yeah. No.
Room 7
Oh my god.
has a fire. So wonderful.
It's Avon, bruh.
Viva has room 7.
Oh my god, I still have to check in 3 patients.
Oh, the wolf.
Oh, they did have room 7.
I would just love to be a patient at this place, and a fire would randomly start, and while I'm in the bed. Yeah. Guess my favorite entity thing.
It's Tim Cheese. It's Tim Cheese.
Yes! We got a surgery rumor. And someone in room 6.
I wanna do it.
Guys, guess my favorite anomaly.
Is anybody gonna get the coffee?
I don't need it.
Take the damn eye drops, bitch. Wait, what else?
Maple syrup and an ointment.
Zara, does the Xbox remote still have drift? Oh my god, I'm gonna just die myself.
Oh, there is a surgery girl. I'll do it.
She's a butt blood.
Wait, we only have to check in one patient, but they're both good.
That happens sometimes. I don't know why.
I would just keep an eye on both of them because sometimes they start rituals.
Tweaking butt, tweaking butt,
I need this
tweaky
taser.
booty butt. Okay.
Okay, I'm taking the coffee.
Last time Aunt had a taser, he tased me. Do not.
I didn't know it tased. I didn't know it tased you.
Why are they so
did
close
it.
behind each other? I want number 4. Because I said so. 4 is my favorite number.
I have no idea how to do this.
I'll do six.
Red,
I actually
yellow,
hate the number 4.
yellow.
Medicine, thermometer, and the red thing. The red blob. The period blood. Of all period's blood is a period blood. Get out of my way.
Excuse me?
Just
I'm gonna
I have a
shoot
taser.
you.
I was just kidding. Why didn't you do that? Ah! Ah!
What's happening?
Yeah, jump on the trash. And then you jump on it musty.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
Oh no!
Ambulance on ship
Shit.
4.
My butt itch.
Okay, Aunt, you have to lock in, okay?
Huh?
You hear that, Boogie?
Ambulance.
You have to lock in.
What did I
Actually,
do?
Blue is my favorite
That's
number.
what he is. Little
Why
booger
is he
baby.
screaming and yelling?
Ah!
Everybody's dying and there's ambulances coming. I'll help
6,
y'all
7.
Roommate,
Roommate.
roommate. I'm going.
out.
I call room 5.
I have the surgery room.
There was a lot of people.
Oh my god! They eating.
Scalpel.
Oh my god, he's gonna die. Oh my god. You stupid little bed monster.
Did it grab you? Let's
Oh, well, the monster eating the patient is gonna have to
I
die.
can't help him!
Rest in peace.
Ah,
What the fuck?
it kept stopping me, little monkey butt. What the heck?
There's a fucking fire in room 7.
Get the back kit, get the back kit!
Oh, bitch. I'm so sorry for
There was
that.
a fire.
Yeah.
Back kit! I drop!
And did you just say myths are not real in chat?
Because if you would actually focus on what one of the things said back then, or in one of the things, it said,
Boy, I
myths are
was
not real.
doing my job.
I know you were doing a job. I was
Standing
looking
around
at
like a
this.
little booger. I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, sticky butt.
I was, okay.
Oh shit!
Okay.
Oh my god!
Ritual.
Let me
Yeah, open that
in.
door right now.
I'm in room 7.
Hey,
so
look,
I can't really
it's
do
okay.
anything. Get the damn eye drop. What you need, twin? Straight up.
Oh, I have sanity.
Die!
I have a taser. I have a taser.
6,
Hi guys,
7.
I'm at 20 sanity.
Hey,
Oh.
that's my favorite guy! Help!
What'd
Leave
you
me
say?
alone! He's chasing me!
Where?
Oh, he gone.
Oh, is it the little camouflage
It's
guys?
a little camouflage. Yeah, he's my favorite.
They cute.
Why the whole gang in here?
Okay, Diva's
Let
recovering.
me find them. Oh, Don't steal my favorite, guys, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. I just
What
harassed
did
a
you
patient in front of CC.
Yeah, I saw that, by the way.
You're next.
Well,
Come here.
No,
Yeah?
What's my favorite?
Remember that I have a gun.
right now. I hope
shit,
one of
here
those
comes
I
little
be
kid massage
doing
babies
it.
gets you.
Did it with my eyes closed.
That was
Did
me
you
getting
just
happy.
extinguish on me?
Yeah, I
Please.
did.
Aunt, please tase them.
Remember that
Stop,
I also have a
stop,
gun.
stop.
Not you trying
About
to
to
tell
get
him
shot.
to tase me. Girl.
My ambulance will come. No! Dr. Doodoo.
I'm nice.
Get your legs off my charger, you monkey.
I want the shop. I need more sanity on.
Oh, monkey?
Did you
Oh
just
my god, someone tase me.
I tased the wrong person. I didn't even mean it.
Speed boost?
Hey, look, it's a speed boost. What do we need speed boost
Hey,
for?
look, a speed boost.
My sanity is now 37.
You could
Mine's
have
at
said
23.
41.
less zesty, bro. Hey, look, it's
Die!
a boost.
Oh, oh, hi. Don't serve this bitch.
Wait, no. No, I'm so sorry.
Poor unicorn girl.
Unicorn girl is gonna die. Holy stutter, bro.
Hey,
Oh.
I'd like to check in as a patient.
I hope they mess up your surgery.
I hope you have to get a surgery again, and then they mess up your surgery, babe.
Yeah, paralysis is a very big risk.
Hi.
Kitten, do not serve this little pink one.
Which they're both pink.
The cat. Oh my goodness, don't
Not the
stop the
deer.
stutter. Aunt, you little
Oh, that was
booger
a fire.
goober.
Okay, ZZ got the fire, I think. Oh wait, no, I'm the fire extinguisher.
Aunt, I know you're not laughing right now. You just tried to get rid of the very cute little pink deer.
Yeah, I like that deer.
Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh my
she just
god,
took a
she just
shit.
pooped on the floor.
Hurry up. This
What
is taking
camp
forever.
is
There we
down?
go.
Not one of the important
Aunt,
ones.
take
That-
it.
Hey,
We're at 21
Here for
sanity.
my
Take the damn
appointment.
coffee.
Okay.
Drink it.
yeah, I'm at 41. I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Yeah.
get food.
I didn't eat a whole lot of it. It wasn't like bad. It just had a weird texture.
Sure. So Brad's wife does the meet up and eat up type thing where they make the lunches for the kids at the schools even through the summer. So anything
No.
they could eat.
That one was bad.
Right?
Huh?
So she split it up between everybody at the shop. School lunch thing. So we didn't know how they would be.
No, it's okay. It just like no. Wait. Can you shoot the little pink pig-looking thing?
They went to get food.
Oh. Someone get the taser and tase them then, please.
It's on cooldown for 17 seconds.
I wonder why.
Hey, look, it's kimchi.
Oh my god, it's glitched again.
Help, he's gonna grab me.
Who?
What do I do?
I hope you.
Alright, where's the guy? Where's the idiot at? Is this the one?
He's gone.
Do I tase this one?
No. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah? Ava, look, it's your deer.
Yeah, that's my goat.
Look, it's Tim Cheese.
Wait, this little
It's Tim Cheese.
cute. Kind of looks like ant, like a bugger. Oh my god, there's a ghost.
Look, it's Tim Cheese.
I almost peed myself.
Look, it's Tim Cheese. Yeah, it's Tim Cheese.
Shut up, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm Saki Joe. these names. They're so cute. If my name was Saki Joe, I don't think I'd be on this earth anymore. Saki Joe is a naughty one. Saki Joe is very bad. Saki Joe is bad. Go away, Saki Joe. Alright. Saki Joe's leaving. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. You want to know a secret? Yes, I... Oh. And you... And, bro! Stop shutting the window. Being a naughty bird. Oh wait, no, you were eating. Hold on, just don't shut it on my go, okay? Let me take her. Hi, Mac. No, bro. He's trying to beat my go up. It is that deep. Okay, now you can shut them. Trying to kill Ron from accounting. Then you shut the door on me. Go. Go take care of your patient. Nerd. Go. You're a nerd. Oh my god, they're both bad.
Oh, no, that one looks cool. They look friendly.
Oh, they look friendly. And I don't know what world you're living in, but they do not look friendly to me.
Look at them! They're both friendly!
Dude, this one's literally twitching.
Yeah, that's friendly!
Like the crackhead scratch. I don't know what you're taking. And
Yeah! They're both friendly. Huh?
They're not. And are you
They
one
were
of
both...
the crackheads?
Yes, wait, no.
Yes?
I was like... No. I'm not, I promise. I thought you were gonna say something. Tim Cheese is coming out of his room. Tim Cheese is... I'm losing my...
Wait, they're
What's
both
everyone's sanity at? That's my theory.
31. I'm dying.
I'm at 20. I'm at 20.
Wait, no, it's
Zizi, get the coffee. You're at 16.
Zizi's at 16. Yeah.
Yeah, Zizi, you're at...
Wait,
Zizi, you're
no.
at 14. Take the coffee. You're at 12.
Wait,
Take
I
the coffee.
can't let this one go. I'm sorry, bro. You were good. I want to get fired.
My name is Tim Cheese. What's yours?
There's another ghostly presence, dude. I'm actually peeing myself. No, I'm not. I'm joking.
I'm at 10 sanity because it said run. What just happened? What if I go in
Are
there?
you actually being serious?
I'm at 9 sanity. Look at my screen.
Insanity? Oh my god, you're
I'm
gonna
at
die.
9 sanity. What if I lose sanity? It's not that bad. I can survive 162 seconds to get sanity back, right?
Maybe.
Can I take someone for sanity?
What? I'll get the medicine and the herb. Unless you want to get the medicine and the herbs. Okay, I'll get the dry honey stuff.
I got herbs.
Boy, it's
I have no idea what to do with them. Lord. I got herbs. I got 8 sanity. Why is this random person still sitting here? Can I take one? Oh.
Oh my god, dude, that's... Yeah.
Huh? What happened?
Yeah, did you die?
Yeah, I lost my sanity.
And...
So, I don't know that they know I'm gone, but I most certainly... I was, and I'm about to be again for like 2 more minutes. I'm making food, because I'm hungry. but yeah. I'll be back.
I could have healed you, bro. And then
It
you
returned me to lobby. I didn't press the button. It returned me to lobby.
Oh, I thought
No, I didn't even press the button. There was just a countdown and it said returning to lobby. I'm like, huh?
Oh, that's stupid. It should like let you spectate. My bad, bro.
My name is Tim Cheese.
Your name is Tim Cheese.
No, the rat. Remember me as that black rat, Tim Cheese.
No, that's Wrath, you dude. Don't diss on my goat Wrath.
No, that's Tim Cheese.
I hope I can get out of here soon.
My name is Tim Cheese.
Camera down. Wait, that one's cute. That little cat looking one. Aww. I hope you're
Is
not.
there a way to get 100?
Oh my god, there's an anomaly. Wait, so we're all very shawarma kiosk.
I arcade. God damn it! I keep stuttering. Why do I look like that? Why do I look like that?
You will play, right?
I'll play what?
Right?
Huh?
You will play.
I'm not sure actually.
Just say yes.
Whoa. Wait, Willow got this for 890 Robux? I didn't know that. Pretty cool.
Oh my god, Ralphie is back.
My name is Tim Cheese.
My name is Dingus.
My name is Xander Dingus. Oh, shitting. Hi, my name is Armin Winston.
Way to
My name is
go.
Xander Dingus. Oh, shitting.
Can't believe you.
Willow must be eating some good food.
I'm sure Wei Wei is eating some great food.
Joke's on you, I've ate nothing since yesterday.
Yeah, that's bad. You should eat.
I can.
You can't.
Hey,
so Aunt died.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Look at this one.
He
Thank you.
tased the innocent visitor.
I've been sitting for too long.
ZZ, I think you need a coffee.
I just took a coffee. I am so sorry.
Yeah, ZZ's, I think ZZ's at, oh my god, the eyes are here. Oh my god, somebody fainted.
I'll get the one that fainted. Someone just get the one on fire. Sorry, they gotta go in the trash.
On the ground, I'm gonna try to catch it.
I know you are not questioning what is taking so long. Do you want to try to work my job, ma'am? I just had to take care of a fainting patient. Stupid. Don't question my job. Wait, I feel bad because she's cute. I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't mean it.
You're only saying that because she's cute. If she was ugly, you would be not apologizing.
And her name is cute. Her Okay, ZZ, coffee in 30 seconds. Oh my god, Haruki
shit.
Joe, why did you faint? Gosh darn it. Haruki Joe just causing
Oh,
all
she's
these
so
issues.
cute.
Just throw her away.
Bitch.
No, that's what I do whenever we get a fainting patient. I just throw them away.
Well...
Go on, Felipe Huang. Felipe Huang! My voice about to be so gone.
Yeah.
Y'all need help with patients? I got 2 left. Oh, there's a surgery.
Why is it the second I play Animal Hospital, my For You page gets full of those videos?
Oh, it's on your side. I'm gonna get rid of these eyes. Ooh, that got me pretty low.
ZZ, there's
Okay.
coffee.
Yeah, ZZ. Good, get the coffee.
Good cake.
Hey!
Oh, hey.
I think they're both like now. Well, wrong. Wait,
Oh my
no,
god.
bad.
Wait.
White dog is bad.
Aw.
His neck was snapping. I got a screenshot.
Oh my god. No, I'm not serving you. No! Who served the dog?
Why does Matthew keep looking at me?
Oh.
I already forgot what this girl needed. I see the little camouflage baby. Oh my god! A fire just started in the room I was standing in. Oh, they died. No, Jeeper, don't go in there. Okay, thank you. Oh, now they need to go over here.
That's stupid.
Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on.
There's a surgery. What? Zara, stop. Someone can buy that coffee. I'm at 24.
The coffee's ready too.
Wait, what's your sanity at?
So I didn't realize I was muted. It's at 9, but I'm gonna let it run out because I'm starting to get bored.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna play that scary shawarma game?
Yeah,
Actually?
soon.
Okay.
I think we should take a little break. I don't know. My head kind of hurts.
Yeah.
Like a 10 to 5 minute break.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little... Oh.
Who do you see?
Wait.
Is his neck going backwards?
Yeah.
Just don't shoot.
What do you want me to do?
If you want to shoot them, you can. I mean, they're not bad, but like, we're gonna stop playing anyways.
Don't shoot Rafu.
Yeah, don't shoot Rafi.
Wait, look how fast I can get. Oh, I can't drink it again. Oh! Look. And I'm gonna be fat and drink the coffee. Let's just check in any patient.
Even the anomalies. It's like they're cute.
Why did Rafu just walk out and then come back in?
Oh, this one's bad. It's okay.
We should keep that fire there.
What if I go die to the fire?
Aww.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna shoot you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh, Rafi.
Okay.
I didn't even see that.
Bye, Nat.
I died.